We are halfway through 2023, and here's a recap of key milestones so far. We launched Ask Bo in February to enhance our AI-powered concierge and port of call for our guest queries and complaints. AirAsia Brand Co. was launched to improve reach and impact of the AirAsia brand worldwide. The inaugural AirAsia Sustainability Day was organized in Red Queue to share progress, challenges, and future plans to our partners and stakeholders. For sustainability, we scored above the threshold in our first Bloomberg Gender Equality Index submission and published a group sustainability policy. For the airline, we're looking pretty good so far. We achieved 100% load factor for flights during the Lunar New Year period. AirAsia X is flying again to Gold Coast, Australia, post-COVID-19. We also took home the world's best low-cost airline. A huge win for Allstars. ADE opened its first MRO facility in Senai, Johor Bahru. We received an investment from OCP Asia Limited to help with the construction and operationalization of a new aircraft maintenance hangar in Sepang. AirAsia Drone will get busier after the Civil Aviation Authority of Malaysia, CAAM, approved 3 new locations for pilot drone training. We hosted a regulatory discussion on use of drones for shore-to-ship delivery and showcased our drone delivery capabilities at Lima 2023. AirAsia Foundation's Destination Good set up a booth supporting Enactus Social Enterprise Market Day. A social enterprise grant was awarded to Natural Aceh to help promote their work with underprivileged communities. Santan launched all-day value meals at selected outlets. Now, you can also get your Santan meals at KK Mart stores nationwide. We've been super on the Super app too. More airline and hotel partners were added by strategic signed partnerships. AirAsia Ride provided more options for users. Discounted dine-in reservations and queuing services for AirAsia Food. Delivery services were enhanced with Foodpanda's partnership. BigPay users are now able to top up their mobile phone directly via the app. Do it now cross-border QR payments for Malaysian users in Singapore and Thailand. BigPay users are able to receive 5% off AirAsia Malaysia flight. Red Records stayed on the beat with Airlift's performance at Peak Storm Festival 2023. Airlifts and Lulla Boy dropped 3 awesome singles. Teleport recently turned 5 with celebrations across different offices in ASEAN and beyond. Masterclasses with managers were held to build high-impact management between teleporters. In AirAsia Academy, partnership deals with Felcra, My Startup and PetroScience were established to help the relevant communities and their digital learning. A total of over 600,000 have signed up to AirAsia Academy, with over 120 sign-ups this year alone. Ikhlas partnered up with the Saudi Tourism Authority and Dar Al Iman Investment Co. to help promote tourism and offer affordable accommodation for Umrah. Zakat in the Sky offered to guests to pay their Zakat Fitrah on board. AirAsia Grocer supplied aid to Menteri Besar Incorporated for their Flood Aid Supply Pack. The Sabah warehouse in Kota Kinabalu is now ready for operation. We became the main distributor for Eureka Drinks, Malaysia's first nootropic beverage brand. Today, we're operating 178 aircrafts with 229 routes activated. Our segmental revenue is at 2.2 billion ringgit with an EBITDA of 501 million ringgit. With an average load factor of 88% at an average fare of 210 ringgit, it is up 60% year-on-year. For ADE, we have a segmental revenue of 103 million ringgit, up 84% year-on-year with EBITDA 18.6 million, an improvement of 97% year-on-year. Teleport's revenue is at 152 million ringgit, up 3% year-on-year, with the EBITDA year-on-year improvement of 277% at 9 million ringgit. Its e-commerce has a daily average of 63,000 deliveries, up 502% year-on-year growth. Overall, Teleport has a market share of a high at 14% in March 2023, from only 2% in January 2022. Super App has monthly active users of 12.9 million, achieved the highest quarterly revenue and remained EBITDA positive for 4 consecutive quarters. It reached 159 million ringgit and 24.4 million respectively. Non-AirAsia flights contributed to 5% of total flight revenue. Our delivery vertical doubled its conversion rate from 14% in the previous quarter to 28%. BigPay's revenue of 11 million ringgit is an improvement of 79% year-on-year with 1.4 million carded users. Phew! What a recap! And we still have the rest of the year! All of this would not have been possible without Allstars who dare to dream. We make a difference. Win as one. Change the game. Celebrate all individuals. Let's stay on course and close 2023 with a bang.